Hi everyone, welcome to a new skit on how to survive the Animal Jam nuclear fallout. So first you'll need a bunker. Oh, you can't afford a bunker? Too bad. You convert your den into a bunker. Create an area that simulates outside so you don't get so lonely. For best, I'd recommend adding in bees. Because bees are outside, right? It's been so long since I've been out there. I don't remember. Ah well. Next, you need to barricade all the exits to the den. You should also add tables that you can hide under, in case bombs explode. Make sure you have a table always handy, because you never know when the bombs are gonna come. Add giant plushies to be your friends, because you can't have friends in your bunker. You don't have enough food for everybody. Add in a kitchen, because you're going to need plenty of food for the next 25 years. Make sure you have lockers specifically meant for containing your food. Also have posters for you to look at when things get tough. Just pretend that the poster is an inspirational poster. This will all end in 25 years. Again, with the giant plushies as your friends. Add in games and activities so you don't get so bored. Make sure you have that sweet mind food. Also, make sure you have jungle gyms to pretend like it's a playground. That's fun. 25 years later. Oh, the radiation. I've grown antlers and just stegosaurus tail and I only have one eye. Although they did say you can go outside now. Hope the Phantom Invasion isn't too bad. At least I look like one of their own. Oh dear. Oh my, it's a snowy wasteland. Ah, my antlers mutated again. Oh well. Oh geez, these phantoms look hostile. I should probably get back inside. Oh no, my barricades. I'll have to go up the stairs and jump. Yes. The bee surprised. Even the bee is surprised. I think we've survived this nuclear wasteland. I'll check back in off onto a deep sleep and check back in another 5 years. Ah, yes. It's been 5 more years. Let's check on the outside world now. Everything is beautiful. All the glorious plants and trees. The radiation. It's even fixing my voice. Well, I hope my appearance changes back. I really hope it does. It has. Yes, I should probably go wash all this icky green mud off me. Yes. Everything is better. The has been fixed. Everything is right with the world. So that's it for this video, guys. Be sure to like this video and comment down below if you want to see more skits like this, or skits like the last skit I did. If you want to see more skits like the last that I did, expect them to come out much less often because it took me like an hour to make. And with only one person, it was kind of a pain. This one wasn't as hard because I didn't have to constantly change animals. I just had to pause to do stuff like edit the den or change my look and all that. So it was much easier than constantly switching animals, and this didn't waste any of my gems. It still take me trying to back up to the 50,000 gems I had before, but you know, at least now I have a ton of gem animals. You know, I don't need all these gem animals. Although I guess I do get an advantage in treasure hunts now, so I guess I'll keep them all, but some of these looks are horrendous. Like, apparently the people who watch my videos are 8-year-olds that just started playing. I changed some of the looks to be for adoptions, but, like, come on. Would a non-8-year-old girl ever make this look? Just look how awful it is. Like, gardening hats, who even wears those? I tried to make some looks that were horrendously bad. But, yeah, I failed. But we're sticking with the main look right now. I decided to add this beautiful heart scepter that I got on trade because, I mean, it matches my color, but now I'm worried I have too much hearts, but who cares? At least I don't have the heart pattern. That would have been so bad. But yeah, that's it for this video. I've said that already. Why do I always do that? Anyways, bye!